Hi from Tone Hair Salon. I am here today because I'm going to put NBR Natural Beaded Extensions into my wonderful, beautiful client, Jamie. I kind of want you to see her natural state of hair right now. She wears a lot of tape-in extensions. We actually already took those out. And we're going to do the new method that we learned in Charlotte the last couple weeks, and we've been practicing, and I'm in love with this method. I think it works really, really great. You don't have to deal with any of the glue from the tape-in, but sometimes, you know, we actually may do like a hybrid and use a little bit of tape-ins on the sides, but I think this is a great option for no mess and full coverage of the extensions. So I wanted to show you guys what this is. This is NBR extensions. Now, the method that I do, I actually involve some beads, and then I'm going to sew it into her hair to give her the length. But I'm sure you guys have also heard the word hand-tied, a hand-tied weft. What is a hand-tied weft? A hand-tied weft means that this part of the extension was actually hand-tied by somebody to create a very thin amount of hair, so that she can get the full coverage but not have these like bumps from the basically like the new method of kind of like back in the day, like 10 years ago when I used to get extensions, I used to go and get my hair cornrowed. Like I would get 3 cornrows back here, and then they would weave in this bulky hair, and you could see it. Like you could see there was bumps and ridges, and the cornrow just didn't really last in my hair at all. So then I switched over to the bonded extensions, but I didn't feel comfortable with those anymore because I felt like it was a little too damaging on everybody's hair. So then I switched over to tape-ins, and I love tape-ins, but I'm super excited about this method too, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna create 2 rows just like this, and she's gonna have an unbelievable amount of hair and volume and coverage that you're not gonna know she has extensions at all. The first thing though that we're gonna do is definitely color her. I gotta get these roots. We're gonna make her nice and blonde to match these extensions. And then we may even do like a little bit of a root melt on the extensions later. So just wanted to come live to kind of explain what NBR hand-tied extensions are. And then I'm gonna be taking lots of pictures and videos. I already took her before pictures. And now I'm gonna do all the work, and towards the end I'm gonna do another live video to show you guys exactly how it looks. All right, hope y'all have a beautiful day. I will catch you guys back probably in about 4 hours because I gotta get this blonde going. All right, Jamie, let's do this. Bye.